Hey there! If you're looking at online digital marketing courses, you've probably seen a million options. So why should you choose the Legacy Builder Blueprint over the rest? Let me tell you why. First off, the Legacy Builder isn't just another cookie-cutter course. It's a proven system that I used to go from a busy mom of 6 to a self-made millionaire in just 17 months. This isn't theory, it's a real-life blueprint that's built on success. Unlike most courses that overwhelm you with information and leave you to figure it out on your own, the Legacy Builder Blueprint offers step-by-step guidance. You'll know exactly what to do, when to do it, and how to see results fast. And I'm not the only one who's seen massive success. Hundreds of people from all walks of life have transformed their finances and their futures with this program. It's not just about making money, it's about creating a legacy. So if you're ready to stop chasing dreams and start living them, the Legacy Builder Blueprint is your path to financial freedom. Don't settle for just another course. Choose a proven roadmap to success. Visit www.thedigitalmarketingroadmap.com and start your journey today.